At Medikonda Nutrients, botanical processing is governed by structured quality systems designed to preserve phytochemical integrity while ensuring global compliance. Our neem leaf powder is manufactured through a controlled, traceable, and export-grade framework developed to support nutraceutical, herbal, and functional applications worldwide. Neem leaves are sourced from verified cultivation zones operating under sustainable agricultural practices. Harvesting is conducted at defined maturity stages to support optimal concentration of naturally occurring bioactive compounds, including azadirachtin-related constituents and limonoids. Only healthy, contamination-free leaves are approved for production. Each batch of harvested leaves undergoes physical inspection, foreign matter removal, visual conformity checks, moisture verification. Non-conforming material is segregated prior to processing. Leaves pass through sequential cleaning modules designed to reduce surface impurities without damaging sensitive phytoconstituents. This stage establishes a hygienic processing baseline. Drying is conducted under calibrated temperature and airflow parameters to prevent thermal degradation, maintain phytochemical stability, preserve natural color profile, achieve target moisture levels. Water activity is stabilized to support shelf life and microbial safety. Dried neem leaves are processed using food-grade pulverization systems engineered to minimize excessive heat generation. Powder is passed through controlled mesh systems to achieve specified particle size distribution in accordance with customer requirements. To ensure safety and purity, the powder undergoes sterilization to eliminate microbial contaminants while preserving nutritional value. Every batch is rigorously tested for heavy metals, microbial safety, and nutritional value in our quality control process, ensuring it meets our international quality standards. Finally, our organic neem leaf powder is transferred to the packing and storage area and then exported to all over the world. We offer contract manufacturing and private labeling options packed in pouches, canisters, and in the form of capsules and tablets. Nurturing the herbs with sustainable practices, food safety, consistent quality assurance, with no use of pesticides, with a bit of love and care. We are Medikonda Nutrients.